Good afternoon all. So today we are here to celebrate our another success story. Pratik Phadtare, he got placed in Triveni Global Software Company, Gujarat. Monday से उसका joining है वहाँ पे. So we wish you all the best. So we just want to felicitate you on your success. So Prabhu sir, do the honor.
I have learned many experiences from Shivam sir, which can teach very wonderfully, and I have understand very well. And also the other languages just like JavaScript, Angular, React, or Java, core Java and advanced Java. By Bhumika, she also teach me well and understood it very well. And which are their teaching skill or an other skill also very beneficial for my future also. So firstly, thanks to both of them, and also the other staff of Radiant also.
You all the best.
Thank you.